All right, guys. So for those of you guys in PE, I wanted to show you really quickly how to submit your PE log just in case you're unsure. So when you go to our course Schoology, so when you sign into Schoology, you should see something that says Marysville Virtual Academy. If you don't have that, you need to add it, all right? The code for it is right here. So pause your computer right now and put that code in. You go up to courses, you go up to my courses, and then there's a spot in there to add it. Now, once you've got this down here, here is where physical education is located. If you don't see that folder, or when you open that folder, you don't see these, you should email me, Mrs. Robertson, Jody Robertson, from Gmail. I'll pop right up so that I can make sure that you're added in here. So for example, on, 1026, if you go into that assignment, you'll see right here, if you click this, it's going to take you to a view only copy. Mine will be editable because it's my copy, but you're going to see something that looks like this. All you have to do is make a copy of it, and you can just call it, your weekly workout. I'm going to call it, this one, Robertson Weekly Workout Log 7. And then you're going to fill out that log. Once you've filled out that log, you go in here and you submit it just like you would normally submit something. I'm not able to show you that part because I'm not a student, but you have an option when you're in here to be able to click and submit that log, and you can find it in your Google Drive from there. So if you have any questions about this, please email me to make sure you get those logs in, because that would be a silly reason not to pass physical education this year. Thanks, guys. Bye.